so our topic will be all about my Gucci Super Mini Marmont bag. Okay, so I was actually out with my husband earlier and this is the bag that I used. So I'm gonna be showing you what's inside it. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let me just give you a brief history of my bag. Okay, so I got that bag last March of 2018 and I bought that bag for 285 Kuwaiti dinar. I bought that in the Avenue Mall here in Kuwait. And I also did an unboxing video of that bag. Okay, so I'm gonna put that in the description box below. Okay, I'm gonna put the link so you can just search on that. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what's in my bag. Okay, so here's the bag. It's in gold hardware, and this is the back part, the button, the side. Alright, and this is the strap, and it's actually long. Okay, and it's adjustable and detachable. Okay, so when I say it's detachable, okay, there you go. And when I say it's adjustable, all you just have to do is to, you know, do it like this and close the bag, and there you have it. Okay, all right. Okay, and there are so many ways you can use this bag. Okay, so number one, you can use this as a shoulder bag. You can use this as a body bag. Alright. Or you can even use this as a clutch. Wait a sec. Just have to put this strap inside. Or you can even remove it because it's detachable. Okay, like this. Okay, or you can use this like this. Okay, so do it like this. This is what I always do every time I go out. All right, I use it like this. Okay, and you can even use this bag as a belt bag. Okay, so all you just have to do is to remove the strap since it's detachable. Okay. Give me 1 minute. All right, so all you just have to do is to do it like this. Wrap around your body. And since I cannot use it because I'm a little bit healthy. Okay, it doesn't reach, but for the slim people, for the sexy people. Okay, so just wrap it around and you have to connect it here. Okay, so now let me show you what's inside. Okay, so let me open it. Okay, so first item is my new Christian Dior highlighter. Okay, that is the color. Says here Dior Skin Nude Luminizer in number 01. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that's what's written here. Okay, so again, this is my Dior highlighter. Okay, so the next item in my bag is my civil ID. Next is my powder blush. You've seen this before, okay? And it says here Elegance in number 30, okay? Let me just show it to you again. Okay, so next item will be my Chanel lipstick, and I actually have 2 Chanel lipsticks. Okay, I've shown you this before as well. Okay, all right, so okay, so this one is the Rouge Allure Velvet in number 62, and this one is the Rouge Allure Velvet in number 130. Okay, these are my 2 favorite lipsticks, and I usually mix the colors. Okay, all right, and the next thing in my bag is my kabuki brush from H&M. Okay, and the next item in my bag is my travel size Miss Dior perfume. All right, okay, and the last item is my Rimmel lip liner. Okay, so that's it. Let me put everything back inside now. Okay, it's here, it's here. Okay, okay, all right. Okay, so even if I stretch the bag like this, I don't have to worry because it goes back to its original shape. And every time I store my bag, I usually put something inside. Okay, so the shape will stay this way. Okay. Okay, so that's it. And if you're gonna ask me if I'm gonna recommend that bag, well, it depends. For example, if it's going to be your first luxury bag, well, I suggest you get the Louis Vuitton Speedy Monogram because it's really practical, and it's very like considering the price, you know, it's not that much compared to the mini bag, and you know, considering the size as well, I would prefer you get the Louis Vuitton Speedy Monogram over this. Okay, but if you've been eyeing on this Gucci mini bag, and you know, if you have a lot of bags but you don't have a mini yet, then I will suggest you get the super mini, the Gucci super mini, because you know, number one, it's very functional. Like there are a lot of ways you can use it. Like for example, you can use it as a shoulder bag or a body bag or a belt bag, or what do you call that, you know, as a clutch. Number two, with the kind of leather it has, you know, it's very like carefree. You don't have to worry where you place it, or you don't have to worry about the shape of it, or you know, you can just put a lot of things inside and you're worry free. I suggest you get it. Okay, and it's also like they call it super mini, but it's, you know, you'll be surprised. You can actually put a lot of things inside, as you can see on my video, right? Okay, so let me just highlight again the shape and the leather part. Okay, so even if you put a lot of things, okay, the bag goes back to its original shape, and even if you get a lot of scratches, you won't be able to see them. Okay, so it's really a good investment if you're looking for a mini bag. Okay guys, so that's it for now, and I hope you learned a thing or two. Okay, and I hope this will serve as your guide in case you're looking for, or you're saving for a mini bag. Okay, so guys, again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.